Listen to me. If you are sitting there right now, looking at your smartphone or your computer screen, trying to figure out how to transfer your hard-earned dollars directly from a Paysend account into a PayPal balance, I need you to pause, stop typing, and hear what I am about to tell you. People ask me this question all the time. Susie, how do I move my money straight from Paysend into my friend or relative's PayPal account? And I am going to tell you the raw, honest truth right off the bat so you do not waste your time, and more importantly, so you do not put your hard-earned retirement dollars at risk. Directly? From a digital Paysend balance straight into a digital PayPal wallet? You cannot do it. They are two completely separate financial platforms, competing digital services, and they do not talk directly to one another like that. Now, why does this cause so much fear and stress for so many of you? I will tell you why. Because in retirement, every single dollar matters. You have worked 40, 45, 50 years for your nest egg. You are on a fixed income, or you are getting ready to transition into one. When a grandchild calls you up and says, "Grandma, can you send me money on PayPal?" or a family member abroad asks for help, and all you have set up is your Paysend app, you start to panic. You worry that if you click the wrong button, your money is going to vanish into the digital ether. You worry about hidden fees eating away at your fixed cash flow, or worse, falling victim to online scams that target retirees who are just trying to navigate these confusing financial apps. Listen to me very carefully. Confusion is the enemy of financial security. When you do not understand how money moves, that is when you make mistakes, and mistakes in retirement cost you money you cannot afford to lose. So let's clear up the confusion right now. What is the goal here? The goal is to get cash from point A to point B safely, cheaply, and without losing your peace of mind. If you need to use Paysend to get money to someone who insists on using PayPal, or if you are trying to move funds between your own accounts, here is your clear, actionable blueprint. Pay attention. The bridge between Paysend and PayPal is always going to be your traditional, FDIC-insured bank account or your standard debit card. Option number 1, and this is the absolute safest way to handle this, is the bank account bridge. If you have money in Paysend, or if you are using Paysend to execute a transfer, you send those funds directly from Paysend to your primary checking account. Once those funds land safely in your bank account where they are protected, you log into your PayPal account, and you fund your transaction directly through that same linked bank account or debit card. Option number 2, what if you are trying to send money to a family member who wants it in their PayPal account? Here's what you do. Instead of trying to force Paysend to talk to PayPal, you use Paysend for what it is actually great at, sending money directly to the recipient's bank account or their debit card. You tell your relative, "I am not going to pay extra middleman fees trying to route this through 3 different apps. Give me your bank debit card number or your direct deposit info, and I will transfer it directly from Paysend to your bank." Once it hits their bank account, if they still want it in PayPal, they can transfer it into their own PayPal wallet with the click of a button. Why am I pushing you to do it this way? Because of fees and security. Every time you try to use third-party conversion workarounds or shady online exchange services that claim, "We can transfer your Paysend money to PayPal for a small fee." Stop. Do not do it. Those third-party workarounds are filled with exorbitant transfer fees, terrible currency conversion markups, and in many cases, outright fraudsters waiting to take your money. In your retirement years, you must protect your principal at all costs. You do not spend money on unnecessary transfer fees just because an app makes things look complicated. So let's review your action plan right now so you can take control of your cash with total confidence. First, accept that there is no direct Paysend to PayPal button, and stop searching for magical workarounds on the internet that promise otherwise. Second, always use your standard, secure checking account or debit card as the anchor for all your digital wallets. Keep your financial footprint simple. Third, if someone asks you for money via PayPal, use your linked bank card on PayPal to send it to them directly, or use Paysend to send it straight to their bank account. Cut out the extra steps. Fourth and final, before you press confirm on any financial app, whether it's Paysend, PayPal, or your online bank, take a deep breath, double-check the recipient's information, and make sure you know exactly what fee you are paying. If the fee isn't crystal clear, you walk away. You are in the driver's seat of your financial future. Do not let technology intimidate you, and never let confusion cost you a single cent. Stand tall, keep your money safe, and protect what you've built.